Hello everyone and welcome back to a Dollar Tree haul. Today I have household items to share with you, some new items. Let's just jump right in. Picked up some Good Sense handle bags. These are a 10 count, vanilla scented. These are nice. I really like these handles bags. They don't rip easily, they hold a lot. Nice for the price. Scotty's tissues. This is 128 count of tissues. I picked up 4 of the E-Circuit AA batteries. I found the Surefresh cover-ups again, and there are 17 in here. And there is there's small, medium, and large covers. And these not only cover bowls, but they cover plates as well. They come in handy many times for leftovers. I picked up this Renews It Special Edition Orchid Blooms Air Freshener. I like these for the bathroom. This one smells really good also. And I got 150 count straws. Needed those. And 140 count paper towels like always. I picked up 3 packages of the Dollar Tree bath tissue. I got a 15 count foam bowls. I needed some fabric sheets, so I picked up the Suavital Complete 18 sheets though, but it was these were the only ones they had that day, so I picked it up in the scent lavender. Smell amazing. I picked up one of these Betty Crocker Fudge Brownie mixes. I picked up a couple new items as well. This is a Scrub Buddies bottle brush, and I got this, and it is really long handled, but I got this for our water bottles, and I'm pretty sure it'll do a fine job at cleaning them. And then I found this yesterday as well, the Brillo Basic Scrub Square, and this says it is a no scratch scrubber, and it's soft in warm water and firm in coat, so kind of like the Scrub Daddy sponge. And this is pretty thick. You could probably cut it in half if you wanted. But I am excited to try this. I had some really cute new dish towels and pot holders and some things like that for the kitchen. And I picked up this mint kitchen towel. And this kitchen towel says life is meant to be lived, and it has a pretty little set of flowers on there in little mason jars, and with like this, I guess, wood grain looking background. I picked up another one of these turquoise silicone spoons, and I got the matching pot holders to the dish towel that says life is meant to be lived. It's a 2-pack. I thought these are extremely cute for kitchen. And I know that they've had these the past year or two for summer, but I did pick Connor up watermelon slice shaped cup. How cute is this? They had shark ones at my location as well. And I was finally able to find their brand of bubble bath again with the octopus on it, which has had some rebranding stuff. But this is just a foaming bubble bath, and it's in a watermelon blast. It smells awesome. It suds very well. This is awesome. And then a total random find I found, but name brand. I picked up the Extra Gentle Mr. Bubble Clean Skin 4-in-1, and I have seen this multiple times at Walmart. This is 16 fluid ounces. This is dye and paraben free, and it is a bubble bath, a body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. So, Mr. Bubble at the Dollar Tree. And I found this little Assured brand compact, portable, and on-the-go mini razor with moisture-rich strips and for silky skin and gentle smoothness, and it comes with its own little case. And it's just a little mini razor. And last but not least, I picked up some books and some stationery. And I found this book and I thought Karma would enjoy this. It's called Scoob, and this is the junior novelization of the movie. It's got some colored pictures in here. And it's a chapter book. It's a little over 100 pages. I thought you would enjoy this. And before we get into the books that I found to read myself, in the stationery aisle they had some new notebooks. And this desert scene one, I actually did need a notebook. And this is 50 pages from Jot Brand. The front of the notebook has some like foiling there. And the back is just all matte. It's just a lined notebook, and it has perforated edges so you can tear your pages out. So. And then the two books I found this one called Midnight at the Electric. And I also found this interesting book called Moten Mud Murder, and this is a mystery book. Sounds interesting, both of these books do. And I like that the Dollar Tree handles a lot of these hard-covered books and just mystery books, all kinds of books at the Dollar Tree now. I like that. But that has been my Dollar Tree haul for today. Stay tuned. I have a special kind of Dollar Tree beauty haul coming, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links. And thank you guys so very much for watching.